Good morning, everybody. We are here. The market is looking good so far. AMC stock down a little bit. Hycroft down a little bit. Shiba Inu coin up a lot. Looking good there. Glad to have all of you in here. We got Pika Power. Fourth in the chat today, first in the chat today, fourth, I don't know, but we got Pika in here. Frank, what's going on, man? Nick F. Kalani, Pugnacious Kalani, Rickist Rick, what's going on? Pugnacious, Kelly Scott, Happy Caddy, Remy, 11 Simon, Andrew Connolly, Joel Moneda, Danelle, what's going on, Danelle? John J. Alvarez, what's going on, man? Joel, Frank, Pika Power, John, Justin Belfiore, what's going on? Kalani, who else we got in here? John J., 11 Simon, and Pika. Hopefully all of you guys are having a great morning so far. We've got let's go over here to the market and see what we got going on because the market is looking good. Shiba is looking good. AMC, have a nice green candle right there. AMC sitting at $18.05 right now, down 3.60% on the day. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $27.32. Big news on Shiba Inu coin today is that Robinhood officially listed Shiba Inu coin. So perfect. All of the Robinhood traders now have access to Shiba. Gamestop is sitting at $149.25. Farmy sitting at $13.51. The NASDAQ is up 1.26% today. GameStop up 1.58. Farmy is up 1%, sitting at $1.10. Farmy $13.51. Sundial $58.43, bouncing up 3.5%. Mullen Auto down 5.5%, sitting at $2.51. CEI $75.77, up 3.5%. The SPY up almost 1% today, $443.80. BBIG down slightly to $2.78.5. And Hycroft Mining getting hit today, sitting at $2.06 per share. After bouncing off $2.05 per share several times this morning and tapping 202 at its low, it is sitting at 207 right now. So hopefully we get a little bounce in Hycroft, a bounce in AMC, a bounce in Farmy, bounce in Prog, bounce in GameStop, bounce in Shiba, bounce in them all, man. That is what I am looking forward to right now. I'm happy. I hope you guys are happy. About $5 to Shiba on Robinhood. Let's moon this thing. Cassie, boom, let's get it. I hope we do. Moon Shiba Inu coin. I absolutely want to see it start to... Dude, I would love it. I would love it if Shiba Inu coin started to test some all-time highs. Maybe over Easter weekend or early next week. I think that would be amazing. I don't think it's going to happen today, right? But we have the catalysts that we need. We have them lined up. And 3,000 was tested, bounced off. We could absolutely retest 3,000 points per coin again. And the 3,500 point per coin level is the one that I've really got my eyes on. If we bust 3,500, oh my goodness, if we bust 3,500, it is going to be beautiful if we bust that 3,500 mark. Good morning, Zachariah. What's going on, Zachariah? Good morning, Claire. Good morning, Elias. How you doing? Sponge Cavino Pants. What? Sponge Cavino Pants. What's going on, Sponge Cavino Pants? Good morning, Big Bar. We're home as of last night. Very good, Kalani. How many users does Robinhood have? So actually, I looked up, I saw two different sources today. I saw somewhere around 18 million active users, and I think I saw somewhere around 22 to 24 million total users. So maybe go with that 18 million number, but I have seen two different sources saying 18 million and like 22 or 24 million. So it's got to be somewhere in between there. I mean, shoot, man, even if you're being conservative and you go with the lower one, the 18 million, that's still a ton of users. It is a massive, it's a mammoth of an exchange. So, clear, bro, those AMC covered calls from yesterday, saw Robinhood listed Shiba, exited covered calls, took profits, opened Shiba position on Robinhood, 2.5 million coins. Nice, Frank, very good, man. Making profit on those covered calls, and we were worried about it yesterday, right? But you got you got a little dip this morning in AMC, made some profit, put it in Shiba, and let that bad boy roll. Frank, awesome strategy, man. I hope it works out perfect for you. All right, so to slap grandma if it hits over 3,500. Man, better warn your grandma before you slap her, but she can handle it. Your grandma's tough, man. John J, slap grandma if it goes over 3,500. Today or just like in general, man? And now we got to know, because I want to know if your grandma's going to get slapped today. More like Shib to Walmart. Shoot, man. Taking Shiba to Walmart. I'll take Shiba to Walmart. Kalani, glad to hear that. I hope you're taking good care of her. Yeah, I don't know who we're talking about now, but I like it. Kalani, take good care of her. For real. Morning from Minnesota. Heck yeah, Shiba. Let's go. Jesse Cromley. Let's go, Shiba. Hopefully we can watch that bad boy roll through the rest of the day. What's up, Claire Brown family? The Shiba Army is lit today. AMC Trapper. Shiba Army is loving the fact that Shiba Inu coin was listed on Robinhood today. Confirmed to be listed, and Robinhood tweeted it out. I I know that Robinhood, my gosh, they had a promo going on where the first 10,000 people to retweet and whatever to show that they listed Shiba Inu coin would get $10. Dude, I'm pretty sure that promo is already done and in the bag. Like, it is nuts how many people are tweeting about and watching and searching for Shiba Inu coin right now. Crazy. 1 cent is here. Let's get it. Clay, we're going full ASMR again. JJ Shipburn, you like want to go full ASMR, don't you, JJ? Yes, you do. We should do like an ASMR bro. And then if you become an ASMR bro member, I send you ASMR bro member chats in audio, and you guys can listen to them. Steven Rodriguez, be safe up there with the shooting. Yes, wherever Steven Rodriguez is. Hey, Clay, shout out from Brooklyn. Give me a shout out. What's up, Steven Rodriguez, my man? I guess you guys got a shooting in Brooklyn or something. Be careful, my man. Come on now. 11 on number 7 in the house, baby. What would I do for a Klondike bar? Absolutely nothing. But for Shiba Inu, definitely some sketchy stuff right there. Let's go. 3,500 points per coin. John Jay smacking his gram off. It hits 3,500 points per coin today. Part of me doesn't want to see it hit 3,500 points per coin, but then the other part really wants to see it hit 35 points per coin now in a video of John Jay smacking his grandma. I'm out later, everybody. Kalani, enjoy your morning, man. Thank you very much for hanging out with us for a minute. And enjoy the rest of your morning. Hopefully you can swing by the afternoon live stream as well. Now that Shiba is on my primary brokerage, where all my buying power is, I will set up a dip buy strategy, just like Doge. Frank, man, very nice. You going to go with the 5% dip, or what are you going with? Funny how fast people changed on supporting Robinhood. Yeah, didn't know. I think there is a difference, though, in the apes supporting Robinhood and the Shiba army supporting Robinhood. So Shiba wants, everybody in Shiba wants Robinhood to list it because it's a major exchange. Everybody that is buying and selling AMC and Gamestop, I still think there's that animosity there, and I don't think that they're on board with supporting Robinhood in any way right now. It does mean for the users that are on Robinhood, though, Shiba Inu coin is available, and it's a good thing for Shiba, not really a good thing for Robinhood, right? We're looking at the pros for Shiba Inu coin here, because, yeah, man, at the end of the day, Robinhood still took the buy button away on AMC and GameStop, and that's some sketchy stuff right there. Somewhere in New York, JB, subway explosion. Whoa, subway explosion and shootings in New York. That's crazy. JB, I have not heard about that yet today. Hopefully everybody in New York is very careful there. Subway explosion. I don't like that, man. I mean, it's bad to say like a shooting might be normal, but subway explosion, nah, dude, I don't like that at all. I don't know, Clay. I like ASMR from chicks. Well, Mr. Simon, this ASMR makes you money in the stock market, so what is better than chicks? Sometimes making money might be better than ASMR from chicks. Yeah, ASMR, I don't know, man. It is a little weird, but you could watch him be like, what is going on here? And then, like, the girl, like, scratches the microphone. Yeah, weird stuff, dude. I should just not eat breakfast, and then you guys could do like an ASMR listening to my stomach growl. That would be messed up, wouldn't it? Why don't they do that? Or do they do that, and I just don't know about it? I heard shooting, but didn't hear about an explosion. Hope everyone is okay. Me too, in Brooklyn. Dang, AMC Trapper. Was that where the subway was too? Is that the thing? A good CPI report. Overall market likes it, and AMC continues to give us crap. JB, man, yeah, the CPI report, inflation came in at 8.5% today. I don't know if that's necessarily good. Like, I think that's why you put it in quotes, because it was directly in line with expectations. Okay, it is exactly what they expected. Nothing unexpected. Now, it's still bad because inflation is still rising, and it's rising at an accelerated rate. But wasn't necessarily bad because it beat expectations or anything like that. Yeah, AMC still getting blasted though this morning, along with Highcroft. And I'm wondering, I'm actually wondering if the decline in AMC is related to the decline in Highcroft. You know what I mean? Like, if Highcroft starts to do bad, will AMC follow Highcroft down? Or is Highcroft following AMC down? It's going to be an interesting correlation between the two, because I know a lot of investors that are in AMC also bought into Highcroft mining. I did not, but I do want to see how the correlation between the two ends up playing out, and if one has a pull on the other. I would like to see what's going on with that. Man, this is just stagnation for Farmy this morning. No volume whatsoever there. Prague. Prog not doing too bad. That's not Prog. Prog not doing too bad today. Still maintaining the level that it was at yesterday. Sitting at break even right now. But, oh my gosh, there were some stocks out there that were up like 200 and 300% today. I forget what the ticker was, but I was looking at that pharmaceutical stock, and it was just ridiculously high today based on some cancer treatment. Spaniard, hey Clay bro, how you doing? Spaniard, I'm doing great. How are you doing today? It gives millions access to Shiba, so the demand is going to go up. We're going to get to, the burn rate moving faster and hotter since the new Discord started. Pugnacious, let's get it, man. It does give at least 18 million, right? That's the most conservative number I saw, possibly up to 24 million people access to Shiba Inu coin who could have had access basically by, signing up for any other brokerage account. But if they solely use Robinhood, now they have access to go out there and buy Shiba Inu coin. Ticker energy and food, though, it rose 0.3% compared to 0.5% prior month. Seems like a good trend. Yeah, true. And I think it was it 6.5 or 6.9% that if you take out food and energy, it rose from the previous year. 6.5. So it rose 6.5% from the previous year if you take out food and energy. And yes, you are correct. It was a 0.3% increase from the previous month if you take out food and energy. 8.5%, man. That's still a very high number. Very high number. I might buy a dip on GME today. I don't have any thoughts. Oh, you might buy the dip. I don't have any thoughts. Yeah, so I also don't have any GameStop. Buying the dip today might not be too bad. Let's see where we're at. Let's see a decent chart of GameStop here to add in, because it's still above. You know what? You are. So just looking at this graph right here, you're at a level of support in this area. I truly don't think we're going to see a ton of trading action through the rest of this week, and maybe not even at the beginning of next week either. We've got Good Friday coming up on Friday, so the market's going to be closed on Friday. Holiday week, we typically may not have the volatility and the volume that we do during a normal trading week, but this area right in here has provided support in the past. So it wouldn't be a terrible time to get in. If it does break through, which it is absolutely possible, that GameStop continues to move lower a little bit and breaks down, this $125 level is the next level of support. So if you don't mind adding 1 or 2 shares here at 140 and it does fall, I think you're looking at this $125 level, and then of course back down to nearly $100 per share if it continues to decline. But this area right in here is support. So, and it does seem to be, turning 2 green days in a row. So it does seem to be bouncing off of it. It could be a good entry in that respect. But guys, we all know that support and resistance levels, they're nice to look at. But if we get any sick news on GameStop or AMC, they could be running at any time. So hopefully that helps a little bit. Pika. I probably won't add any today, but I do think that this $145 level could be a pretty good entry. JJ Shibburn, thank you very much for the super chat. Click. Do you plan on joining the Shiba Inu Discord? Yeah, I have no problem with it. I'm not in any Discords, man. So I'm in the Discord is not like a place that I actively look or actively go out and participate in anything. I'm in the Shiba Inu Discord, and I joined some NFT Discord a long time ago that I've never even really opened. The Shiba Inu Discord is basically the only one, and I don't look at too much information that goes on in there. I get a lot of it from Twitter, but I am not active at all on Discord. I wouldn't have a problem, but it's not even like a habit or anything. I don't even know when I scroll by it on my phone to see where Discord's at. So I wouldn't have a problem at all joining the Discord, but I am in the Shiba Inu coin Discord. If you're talking about Matthew Perry's Shiba Discord, I'm not in that one yet. But like I said, I haven't opened Discord in a long time. But if you guys want to join it, absolutely, man, go join it. Just don't join Matt's Discord. They're all about hate on the... No, we don't like hate, guys. Look, I am critical. I like being critical, okay? Let's put it that way. I do like being critical because I also think that everybody's got their own motive, Okay, and I do think that the developers have a motive to build up this ecosystem and not necessarily Shiba Inu coin. Like, I get that, and I see the pros and cons to building up an ecosystem around Shiba Inu coin. But there is a huge difference in being critical, which I completely think that everybody should be critical, not just blindly follow or trust anybody, even myself included. Like, don't just be like, ha ha ha, Claybro likes Shiba, I like Shiba. Claybro likes AMC, I like AMC. Like, don't do that, man. You know, you can be critical and at the same time maintain respect, okay? Doesn't mean you have to like or follow or anything like that, but being critical and maintaining respect is absolutely the way to go. Hate? Nah, dude, I don't like hate. Hate just makes me mad. Hate makes other people mad. Hate's not a good thing. A lot of stuff that I do hate. I saw some videos yesterday about some people, like, killing animals. And, no, dude, like, I hate that. I did not like that at all. I would not condone watching that video. I do not like those people that did that. I have zero respect for those people. So there's a lot of stuff that you can hate. But, dude, I do not like to focus my day on it in any way. It makes you hot in all the wrong ways, right? You do not want to be hot in the wrong ways. You want to be hot in the right ways. Remember that. Libra, 21 moving average crossing over, $100 moving average, a golden cross, much more growth to come. Chris, we talking about Shiba? I love it, dude. I love it. I don't have those moving averages set up on the graph. We can set them up if you want to. Let's see here. Rickest Rick. Yeah, guys, look, I have no problem with it at all. I just don't like to surround myself with any hate. I'm in a few Discords. All the notifications get annoying all the time. Cassie, you can probably turn them all off, though, right? JBN never went all in. Keep buying power reserve for active trading. Yeah, Frank is an active trader, man. Likes to get into the day trades and a couple 3 to 5 day swing trades or something like that. Which prediction for 1 year on Shiba Clay? Promatsha Kandra. I don't know. I honestly, I don't know. A year's a decent time frame, though, because we've got a lot of stuff that should be coming out within the next year. We've got the Shiba Inu coin game, the Shiba Inu coin metaverse, Shibarium, potentially the Ethereum merge. Like, there's a lot of stuff that could really change the direction for Shiba Inu coin and really change the cap on what the crypto market looks like. So I like the year time frame that's out there. But I honestly, I mean, it's a tough question because I have no idea what the price will be in a year. And nobody really knows. Here's my prediction, right? The possibility for growth is exponential, or it's paramount over the next year. We've got a lot of stuff coming out, a lot of innovations, and a lot of things that can really drive growth in the crypto market. So that's like as vague as I can get, but that's what I feel comfortable saying, right? Morning, have you had a chance to listen to CD Wit? Man, I have actually not looked into Zombie Inu yet. It's Clint when collab with Ape Father. He is going through difficult times in his YouTube environment. I have actually not watched an Ape Father YouTube video in quite some time. Is he still actively posting? Is he feeling okay? I know that dude. He's got his following out there. They really like his content. And my brother, I'm pretty sure my brother likes Ape Father more than he likes me. So, shout out to the Ape Father out there, man. I don't know. I could bring the Ape Father on for another live stream chat for a minute. Matt had 1.3 thousand viewers this morning because of Robinhood. Roulette wheel. Nice. Yeah, Robinhood absolutely soaring the price of Shiba Inu coin today and soaring the amount of people looking into it. Look, you watch Shiba Inu coin run up. This is a quick time frame, right? It ran up in what? Maybe let's just start this hour here. 4 hours. Okay, really, it exploded in a 3 hour time frame, but let's just give it 4 hours because we got a green candle there. In 4 hours, it roughly runs 50% from 2,200 points per coin to 3,000 points per coin. It taps it, but don't be afraid or discouraged that it taps 3,000 points per coin because you can see that that's a pretty significant level of resistance here. You know, it provided support here, resistance, 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 and again today with the resistance. So knowing that, it shouldn't be easy to just break right through it. We attempt it. People probably had take profits at their 3,000 point per coin level, and it falls back down a little bit. We go again, man. If we break through it, 3,500 is that magic number on Shiba Inu coin. You can see here, Tested it there, tested it on the way down. But if you go back to October, you can see that it shot after the 3,500. And Weeble chart doesn't go back out to May, but back in May of 2021, it tested that 3,500 point per coin level as well. So it tested it here, fell off hard after testing. It ran all the way up and fell back down to 2,000 points per coin after touching 3,500. Spent a few weeks down in this 2,000 to 2,800 point per coin level. Tested it again on this day, and when it broke free. In like a 4-day period after breaking 35, it ran all the way up to 8,800 points per coin. So 3,500 is very significant, and that's what I've got my eyes on as a potential catalyst for a major technical breakout to the upside. So we're sitting at 26.95 right now. Things are looking good. Shiba Inu coin hopefully retests that 3,000 and breaks that 3,000 level today. That would be beautiful. Bye, Danelle, Cassie, and Bucky. Who's leaving? Pika? Pika! Enjoy the rest of your work, the rest of your work morning/afternoon, and please come back in the afternoon live stream, Pika. Come on. Libra, set up 21 minutes, 100 drivers for daily view. Peace. Okay, I'll set that up really quick to see if we can see it on here. Just to see if we can see this. Inputs 21, 100. Okay, done. Where are we at here? Okay. On the daily. Yes, we are getting ready to cross over. So you can see the 21 moving average and the 100 period moving average. I do believe we need to move a little bit higher because you can see right here, the 21 is at 25.42 and the 100 is at 25.46. So the price does need to go up a little bit, but we could have that golden cross to the upside if it goes back up a little bit today. We are right there getting ready to cross over. That could be a huge catalyst to the upside if you guys are looking at it, and hopefully we make it there. Very nice. Yeah, I'll leave those up. I don't really mind. I'll leave those up. Julia, thank you very much for the member chat. 9 months. Hi, Clay. Where the heck is Devil's Advocate? Julia, I don't know where Devil's Advocate is. I truly don't know. I don't know if he's like slightly stressed out about the price of Prague or something, or if he's been busy at work, or what exactly the deal is. I hope he's in here listening. I hope he's in here hanging out, but I do not know where he's at. Devil's Advocate, if you're in here, Julia wants to know where you're at. Come on, man. Come on, please. Did Pika Power drop the crown today? If she did, I did not see it, Trapper. Yesterday was Moji, but I did not see Pika's crown today. So you guys better be coming back in the afternoon stream if you want. Bought $3 for the Shiba on Robinhood. I want my Lambo. Mr. Simon, let's get it. Lambo time on 3. Dude, if you make a Lambo off $3, you're going to be the man. I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to be the man if you make a Lambo on $3. I love it. Not getting excited until Shiba breaks. Mark, you don't have to get excited until Shiba breaks 8,000 points per coin. If it does, and you are not excited, you are not. You're a robot, dude. You're a robot. You're a robot. You're a robot. If it breaks 8,000 and you're not excited, you got to be excited at that point. Elias Faizi, how much Shiba you has? I has Shiba Inu coin. I don't talk about how much I have of each one, guy, of each position I have, but I do have Shiba Inu coin, and I hope that you guys have some too. If not, it's still okay though. What's the crack? What's going on, Connor Green? How you doing, crack brother? Let's Shiba rise and rise. Let's get it, Connor. What's the crack, man? How you been? Hood bro, probably tomorrow or the day after the golden cross will form. It could form today, man. If we get a nice run on Shiba today and it does go back up to 3,000 plus, it could cross today too. But you are right, man. Tomorrow or the following day, you get a much better chance. We're going to have a send a search party. We will. AMC Trapper, lead the search party, man. We got to find Devil's Advocate. I don't know where he's at. Okay, thanks, Clay. Julia, I'm just as sad as you. I'm just as sad as you. I wish he's in here right now. I don't know. Devil's Advocate, if you're listening, we miss you, man. We miss you. We need you. Come on, bro. Come on. Come back to us. Baby, come back. I wasn't excited at 0.008 because it didn't sell any Shiba. Roulette wheel. Well, good deal, man. If you're not excited, get excited this time, though. Get excited. Because when you're excited, you tell somebody else. When you tell somebody about it, they buy it. When they buy it, the price continues to go up. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much for the super chat. Can Grandpa take out a naked call or put on Grandma? That way, I have to go up and down covered. Okay, so let's see here. Can Grandpa take out a naked call or put on Grandma? That way, I have up or down covered. Yes, you can. Yes, you can, Grandpa Barney. That is absolutely something that you could do, and that is absolutely something that I would recommend doing, man. You always want to be covered up or down, and naked calls and naked puts on Grandma's probably the best way to get there. Grandpa Barney. Dude, Grandpa Barney's coming in. He's thinking. He's coming in thinking today. Oh my gosh, dude, that's probably the best strategy I've ever heard. Naked calls on Grandma. Let's get started. Is that bad? Like, I can say that, right? I think I can say that. Yeah, I can say it. I just deemed it sayable. And that's what we've got. Guys, AMC is getting hit pretty hard this morning, sitting at 1769. Shiba Inu coin trying to bounce back up. It's above 2,700 points per coin. Let's see this thing rally again. I would love to see a little breakout here above 2,750 and a nice spike back up to the upside. Gamestop getting hit pretty hard today. Well, no, it's actually not getting hit pretty hard today, but over the last couple minutes it is. Sitting at right around break even, 0.09% lower. Farmy sitting at 1349. I believe 1350 is the break even on Farmy. GameStop back above break even. The NASDAQ pulling back a little bit this morning after a decent run up this morning, sitting up 1% right now. 13,543 points. You've got AMC at 5.40% lower. Sundial 3% higher at 58 cents. Mullen Auto 24.93. CEI 75 cents. The SPY is 0.71% higher. BBIG down 2.5% at $2.75. And Highcroft Mining really ticking back and forth between this $2.06 level. So $2.06 on Highcroft Mining, but it is down 6.5%, 7% on the day right now. So we'll watch this, see what happens. Hopefully we get some action in here. But like I said earlier, this news about Robinhood it's a huge catalyst for Shiba Inu coin. But the rest of the stock market, with Good Friday coming up, Easter weekend coming up here, we may not see a huge move or a big, some big volatility. We may not see a lot of volatility with traders taking off early for the week and enjoying the holiday weekend there. So keep that in mind in regards to the overall stock market. Shiba Inu coin, however, though, up 23% right now, getting ready to bust back out of this 27.5 points per coin level, 2,742 points per coin level right here that proved to be resistance about an hour ago or so. And if we break through it, oh man, we could have a nice little run to the upside here. So we'll keep our eyes on Shiba Inu coin, stringing together all of these green lines, looking beautiful right now. Dude, after this Friday, when all my options expire, I'm going to have $37 in my account. Can I get a Hunger Games whistle? Devil's Advocate is here. I love it, man. I love it. They're not going to expire worthless. You're going to see it run tomorrow, man. I have faith and I believe in you. But yes, you can, and I'll do it again on Friday. I'm pretty sure that's Hunger Games. If not, I'm completely wrong on it, but Devil's Advocate. I do want to ask, because I have had some pretty tough times before too. How many of you, let's take a little poll, and I'm going to do right, and then right after I'm going to yell at Grandpa Barney. Okay. You can deem significant whatever you want. I would say at least, 50%, a huge amount of your portfolio. And I think that if you're brand new to investing, you might not expect it to happen, right? But I think a lot of people do lose a significant portion of their portfolio, especially when they're very first starting out, especially if you're trading something like Forex, right, where it's leveraged and you can get margin called very easily, or if you are trading options and so on. But just give that a quick vote, right? It's anonymous. Nobody's going to know if it's you or whatever. But I truly do believe, myself included, especially if you're trading on margin, right, or leverage, that you can see a very large portion of your portfolio disappear. And it in no way indicates that you are a bad trader. It in no way indicates that you should give up. It in no way indicates that you are, worthless. You have a choice to make after that, though. And I think one of the best things that you can do, even if that is happening to you right now, is reassess the situation and find out how it makes you feel. And I'm not trying to be like all feely hippie time or anything like that, but you really do need to figure out who you are as a trader. If you can stomach a loss like that, knowing that you can get back in and hit a crazy gain too, okay, maybe you are some sort of a risky, very speculative trader. But if it turns you off in a way that you want to give up, dude, conservative investing may be for you. Hitting 5, 10, 15, 20% annualized gains is possibly much more comfortable and could be a direction to go. But I do want to see how many people have either blown up an account or whether they were doing Forex or options or leverage or something like that and learned from it. If you guys have a story about learning from it, share it right now. Whether it turned you and realize you're more of a conservative or prudent investor or whatever, get it out there because it is real, man. It is real. But Grandpa Barney, man, thank you very much for the super chat, Grandpa Barney. I was not ignoring you. I was going on about that story there. Grandpa Barney, thank you. I'm so funny. Love you, my boy. Who says being old you can't have fun or be fun? Nobody. Grandpa Barney, nobody says that, man. Nobody. I don't know why old people don't want to be fun, but you are absolutely fun. Red day, red pay for clay. That rhymed. Boom! Grandpa Barney, I love it, man. Red day on AMC, red payday for Clay. Yes, let's get it. Grandpa Barney, man. Thank you very much. Anybody else agree that Grandpa Barney is coming in pretty hot and funny there? I like it, man. I like it. Grandpa Barney coming in with the naked calls on Grandma. That's the best way to start off the day, man. That's what I'm talking about. Grandpa, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that, man. Incredible. And Chris coming in hot with another super chat too. Chris, man, thank you. Chris says, did I miss the big talk? Work doesn't stop, so I can't until I'm wealthy, so hope everyone is good in the meantime. Also, haven't lost a lot, but haven't been in a lot, learning to be cutthroat though. Nice, Chris. And that's true. I take it that you're a little bit newer, right, Chris? And maybe haven't been in the market a long time. I feel like if you've been in the market a long time, I feel like you have lost at least a significant amount of money at some point or another. But Chris, you're absolutely right, man. Big news on Shiba Inu coin, Robinhood listing. Not a ton of news on AMC this morning. Overall market, big news though. CPI inflation data came in exactly as expected. So I don't think we could have really gotten much of a better response or a better reading on inflation. Right at expectations was kind of like that sweet point where investors got what they expected. Right, so they couldn't overreact in either way, and I do believe that helped the market out to see inflation data come right back in at expectations there. Can you explain the Shiba chart, Harris? Yeah, man, we can talk about the Shiba chart here in 2 seconds. I'm gonna get rid of this vote though. I hate seeing it down on the thing and I can't read the chat until it scrolls above the vote. So get you guys' vote in if you do. Walleye King Lou, Cleveland, Ohio, loves your videos. Cleveland, bro. Lewis, Walleye King Lou. What's going on, man? You fishing for walleye in Lake Erie, or what do you got going on there? Walleye King Lou. And thank you very much for watching the videos. Absolutely appreciate that, man. I didn't see you. Those polls take up the entire chat. Those polls do take up the entire chat. Vote right now. We're going to get that poll off the chat as soon as I say Zachary. Thank you very much for the super chat. Hey, how's it going? Hey, Zachary, how's it going? Hey, Zachary, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? Zachary, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you, man. How's it going, Zach? How's it going? Thank you very much. Let's get rid of this poll right now, guys, and clear up some space on the chat. So, yeah, guys, the majority of people that are investing in here have lost a significant portion of their portfolios at one point or another. And I think that's normal. I truly do. And I think it's part of, figuring out who you are as an investor, right? And I'm not trying to pick on devil's advocate or anything like that, because like I say, man, I've done it before. I lost a buttload of money. See, Grandpa Barney, man, definitely. I've lost some money on crypto too. So I do think that it's okay. Let's put it that way. The best thing that you can do is make sure you show back up tomorrow. Because if you start to develop that long-term mentality, it's going to work out very well for you. And in the meantime, it does sting. Like, there's no doubt about that. It definitely does sting. Man, we get. I wonder if Pika got into Gamestop and it was sitting at 148, or if she waited till now. But AMC falling off a little bit here. We've got 3-4 red candles in a row. GameStop falling a little bit too. Shiba Inu coin falling a little bit. Farmy falling slightly here. Really moving back and forth. We got Prog sitting at $1.09. NASDAQ sitting up 0.73% right now. It is pulling back a little bit as well from the gains that it had earlier. Very nice morning and starting to give back some of those gains. Sundial sitting at 57.80. Hitting some red lines as well. So a little pullback in the market. I wonder if that Brainer dude is talking right now. Nah, he already talked. He already spoke. Spoke at 11:10. Huh. All right, he already spoke. So at least we don't have to worry about that. But that could be why we started to see a slight decline in the NASDAQ about an hour ago. That dude started talking. 11:10. Well, I mean, he started talking at 11:10 here. Reacted positively for about a 20-minute period, and now it's been coming back down a little bit. So interesting action on the overall market right there. But I mean, it's not strange to see AMC coming down like this, as well as the NASDAQ coming down. Very, very similar action in the NASDAQ. Actually, semi-similar action in GameStop here more recently, with this decline pretty steep over the last 5 minutes. So AMC following the NASDAQ right now, moving a little bit lower as the NASDAQ drops. Quick, if you missed it, read my last one just after the last super chat. I got you, Chris. I did miss it, man. Correction. I haven't been in a lot of stocks before AMC. If you were counting my current AMC loss, then yes, I've lost quite a bit. Chris, we can count your current AMC loss, right? But I was more or less talking about a loss that you actually you had to close out. And I don't think you've closed out of your AMC losses yet. Those are still riding. That trade is not done. So like a trade that actually you had to execute and put an end to is more or less what I was talking about. But no, I agree, dude. A lot of people, they got into AMC. AMC is down from where they got in, and it could be a significant loss. I've seen negative 40% on a stock. I've waited 2 years on it, and the negative turned into a positive. It was 200. Woo-hoo, Chris, nice, man. Very nice. Willing to hold on to that and watch it turn around there. Very good. And Grandpa Barney lost a boatload on crypto. Yes, I did see that. Part 1, real talk. It feels like almost like New Year's is coming. I'm going to get a fresh start on investing, but with more knowledge. Losing 900% sucks, but it's the game. I see it as a milestone checked. Part 2, and not necessarily like me being bad or anything. Just finally getting over the inevitable hurdle. Dude, I think it's almost like not necessarily hazing, right? But your initiation. I honestly feel like everybody goes through that, and it could just be me talking to different people that have invested before, and I feel like it's a little bit more in areas where you can leverage forex, maybe cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency, especially earlier on, was extremely volatile. So it had that wild volatility to it. But then options as well, man, because, options are leveraged and they have expiration dates where it has to hit by. So stock market, you can still get hit pretty hard in the stock market too, but you don't hear about as many significant losses or as many significant gains in the stock market, but it does have that added, I guess, security, because it's not necessarily leveraged unless you guys are trading on margin and using a margin account there. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much for another super chat. It's only 9:30, so he hasn't talked yet. Grandpa Barney, oh my goodness. It's 9:30 for you, but it's 12:30 for me. So I believe he did talk at 11:10. Hopefully I do have my... Do I have this set to Eastern time? It says it's loading. I'm pretty sure it's set for Eastern time, man. I'll double check it. Let's see. Eastern Standard Time. Come on, let's move that. Okay. Dude, I just changed it. Now it says 12:10. So now it does say 12:10. It says he started talking 20 minutes ago. It said 11:10 a minute ago. But that would make sense if he just started talking at 12:10. And we're seeing a little sell-off here. Yeah, it would make a little bit of sense. Somebody else go out and confirm that. Like, double check, because I did just say 11:10 for me. Now it says 12:10. Somebody go check out the Federal Reserve Brainerd's speech today. I don't care where you look at it, but double check it. It says 12:10 now for me, so he might be talking right now. Allergy to the like button is terrible today. Shiba Inu, these people, man, what are they doing? Guys, click the like button. Only 78 likes. Come on now. You got to make sure you guys click that like button. Hello, Freddy. Freddy, what's going on? What's up, bro peeps? What's happening, Freddy? How you doing? ApeCoin and AMC losses. You down on ApeCoin? I do not own any ApeCoin. Only at a loss if you sell. Happy caddy. That is true. You only realize that loss if you do click that sell button. It's 12:30 for me too. Weird. Mike, it is weird, man. It's like we live in the same time zone. Anybody get advice on how to get rid of it? Whoa, I do not have any advice on that, Andrew. Be careful, man. Asking for a friend. Andrew, very interesting. You're very good friends with this friend of yours. And now I feel like you might want to ask Google about that. I don't really have any advice on that. What time is the barbecue, Clay, bro? New foe. Today actually would be a nice day for a barbecue. It says it's 59 right now, but it felt warmer than that outside. I swear it's supposed to be 70 degrees today. I cannot trade crypto, thank goodness. Spaniard, are you in New York? You actually might be able to trade some crypto now because on Webull, they opened up like 5 or 6 different cryptocurrencies for trading in New York. About 5% dips for Shiba, $20 to $25 for Doge, 100 coins. That's what I'm thinking. Frank, man, let's make it happen. That doesn't sound too bad. You know, you could hit a lot of 5% dips. A lot of 5% dips on Shiba Inu coin, dude. It is a very volatile coin. Freddie, thank you very much for the super chat. Hello, bro family. Just thought I would stop by and say hello. Well, everybody, say hello to Freddie. He just wanted to swing in and say hello. So the least we could do is say hello to Freddie. Freddie, man, hello. And thank you very much for the super chat, Freddie. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Well, Parasma Contra. Andrew, you better take that advice right there. Because this dude is seriously giving you advice on how to take care of that. You better. I don't know if you're trolling or not, dude, but you better take that advice and say thank you to Pramasta there. Come on now. You better. Neighboring state, bros. Let's get it, Mike. Mike, where you at? You in Indiana? Pennsylvania? West Virginia? What do we got here? Kentucky? I know we touched Kentucky. Hello, Freddie. Hello, bro. I like it. Shiba price predictions up. YNB. Somebody just asked me about that, and you know, I'm not exactly sure on any time frame where Shiba Inu coin can be, but it does seem like we're going to be breaking out of this 2748 level here, hopefully pretty soon. And if we do, I would love to see a run back up and retest that 3,000. Oh my gosh, that we would get excited about that. Diddy, I'm glad you bring up the shooting. Shout out to the shooter. It's about time we got some diversity in the mass shooting department. It's oh my God. I actually have not seen the news on this at all today, so I don't know what's going on with that. I do just hope that everybody is safe if you're in that area. Will they let me keep it after I named him Freddie? Andrew, I don't know, man. I hope not. I'm new to the page, but I'm not new to Shiba. How's it doing now in Tennessee? Tristan Staggs, man, new to the page. Welcome, Tristan. Glad to have you in here. Shiba Inu coin. Having some trouble getting through this 2750 level. Little intermediary level of resistance here at 2750. We've tapped it a couple times this morning. It was a little bit of support down here on the way down, and proving to be a little bit of resistance on the way back up. If we're able to break it, man, I would love to see a retest of that 3,000 point per coin level this morning. Oh my goodness. If we break that and we start to go for 3,500, I'm going to get very excited. Let's see. She was stuck at 27. Yeah, stuck right there at 27 to 27.50. Interesting place to get stuck, though, too. Mitch, yes, New York subway this morning. I don't like it, man. I don't like it. And an explosion or just a shooting? What's the deal? Part 1. I would have led the search party in my John boat with paddles, paddling a TF away across the oceans in Officer Duffy voice. I'm a rescue swimmer, yes I am, to find you. Officer Duffy voice. I don't even know who that is. What movie is this? What movie did I miss? Robinhood and Shiba Inu explode 1 cent soon. A massive Shiba Inu price prediction 2022 and huge Shiba Inu news coming. I've just copped another 247 million tokens of Shiba Inu before going parabolic. Crypto burger. Boom, baby. Let's get it. 247 million Shiba Inu coin. Not bad at all, man. Not bad at all. I hope it does go parabolic and you make a ton of money. However, does anyone else notice whenever Shib has big news, it goes down? Freddie, so it did go up today, right? It did go up from 2,200 points per coin up to 3,000 points per coin, and it is currently sitting at 2,750. So it is pulling back a little bit from this gain that it had earlier. The level we need to break through is right here. This 3,000 and 3,500 is the next major level of resistance. Man, I would love to be testing this 3,500 point per coin level. But no, good news today and a very significant gain. You know, the last time we saw a gain like this was back here when Bitcoin was running as well. We basically did the exact same thing. Went from 2,200 points per coin all the way up to about 3,000 points per coin. And the next day is when we tested 3,500. If we perform similarly here, the next day we would be testing 3,500 points per coin. Doesn't mean we have to wait a day. Absolutely not. Doesn't mean this excitement might not die down a little bit either. So we have to keep people excited and we have to realize the potential of Shiba Inu coin moving higher. And with that being said, AMC sitting at 1755 right now, down about 6%. Gamestop 144, down 1.5%. The Nasdaq is up 0.75%, giving up some of its earlier gains right now. We've got Prog sitting at $1.08, going back and forth. Farmy sitting at 1347 right now, really no action there. Sundial sitting at 57.83. Mullen Auto down 7.5%, sitting at 246. CEI 75 cents, up 2.5% right now. The SPY is up 0.5%, giving up some of its earlier gains as well. BBIG down 2.5%, and Highcroft Mining down about 8%. Going to test these $2 levels here in a minute. So we have to keep our eyes on that, see what goes on there. But Shiba Inu coin, guys, story of the morning with Shiba Inu coin being listed on Robinhood. A lot of people very excited about that. Let's see. Shib, number one trending ticker on Yahoo. Very nice, Gary. I imagine it is people getting very excited about Shiba Inu coin. Why can't I receive Shiba in Robinhood? Do you know? So Steven, no, I do not know why you would not be able to buy your Shiba in Robinhood. I do know that it doesn't show up on the list of cryptocurrencies right at this moment. You do have to search for it on Robinhood. So if that's what you're referring to, you may, and they may have already updated that, but you may have to specifically search for Shiba Inu coin. So go check that out. You think the highest point of Shiba is gone for the... No, not necessarily, Harris. It could get a second wind and break through that 3,000 level. I hope it does. Just about $1 worth of Shiba. Boom! Nufo dabbing on him, baby. Grabbing that dollar worth of Shiba, man. Hopefully that dollar turns into $10. Do it, man. You get free lunch for 2 days. I'll say what we're afraid to admit right now. And in light of the shooting, we can all agree that we need to ban them, all of them, once and for all. No more subways. Dude, I'm not going to lie. Okay, I've only rode in a subway one time in my entire life. Yes, one time. I did not. I almost rode a subway in Greece, but I did not do it. I'm pretty sure I didn't ride a subway in Greece. I rode a bus in Europe, but I don't think I ever rode the subway. I did ride a subway in Los Angeles, Hollywood, okay? Only experience I've ever had on a subway, so not really terrible because it was in the middle of the day and nobody was really on the subway. But yeah, subways, they don't have a good reputation. They don't have a good reputation. Anybody have like a good story about a subway or a bad story about a subway? Because mine, it was kind of like neutral. Officer Doofy, sorry, I got spell check. Scary movie. Still don't know what Officer Doofy is, man. I don't even know if I've ever really watched. No, I have watched a scary movie. I watched Scary Movie, the one with Saw, and the one that was making fun of Signs. I think I've only watched those 2 scary movies, though. 2 more likes needed. Let's go, guys. Click those like button. Ching. Will, let's get it. I'm trying to encourage people to see how much Shiba we can burn on 420. Nice. Shipless Pirate. If you guys want to burn on 420, make it happen. But I'm trying to transfer my Shiba to Robinhood, and it's not working. Oh, so Steven, they probably don't have their wallets set up and working yet for everybody. I believe their wallets are still in beta phase. So if you don't have a wallet on Robinhood, you're not going to be able to do that just yet. I don't know when it's going to release to everybody, but the crypto wallets are not available on Robinhood yet. Good Subway, yes, it gets me to New York City faster and cheaper than driving and paying bridge fees. Freddie, good deal, man. Freddie likes it. I meant trying to saw that. Shiba had me. Oh, definitely have a bad Subway story. They never make a sandwich right. One time, I was like, yeah, give me some pickles. She put 1 pickle on a foot long and looked at me dead in the face and said, that good? Dude, I don't know if that's true or not, but that lady sounds like a savage if she did that to you. Actually, I don't mind Subway at all. Meatball marinara is my favorite Subway sandwich. I'm not a meatball guy. I ain't burning any of my Shiba. Craig, good deal, man. CFFC, checkmate. Milkshake on Twitter showed Robinhood servers on Shib is getting overloaded. Nice. CFFC, I have not seen those tweets yet, but I do imagine there are a lot of people that would be looking to buy Shiba Inu coin. The absolute last thing we need to see is Robinhood fail this launch. Oh my goodness. Robinhood, can you imagine Robinhood botching the launch of Shiba Inu coin and nobody can buy Shiba Inu coin because they weren't prepared for it? Oh my God. Robinhood, don't do this to us. Don't do this. Will pay to say you'll be wanting a Subway when gas is too expensive and you don't have an electric car. I don't think there's any Subway. Yeah, I don't think there's any Subway. It's complete sandwich, yes. I don't think there's any Subway in Ohio anywhere. Does anybody know if there's a Subway in Ohio? Like anywhere at all? I don't know if there is. I've never even seen one. Never. But Chris is correct. I mean, if public transportation if gas goes up to like $15 a gallon or something stupid, yeah, you're probably going to want to get into public transportation there. Moscow Subway 1984, beautiful. If you have a chance, that's one must you see. Really? Very nice. Hoover, interesting. Never been there. I've never been to Russia. Subway, or traveling in New York City is impossible without the Subway. I would agree, Spaniard. Places like New York and LA and things like that, it probably is impossible if you don't have a Subway. But dude, I can drive anywhere I want here in Ohio, like literally anywhere I want. 29 trillion coins traded. Yahoo. Oh my God, dude, that is insane volume. 2750 been tested 3 times now. 4th breakthrough. Let's get it, Gary. So it is testing it. Yes. 3 times. Boom, boom, boom. We're watching that. Hopefully, as we continue to hit these higher lows and run into this level here, hopefully we're able to break through it. This tiny little level of resistance at 2750. We're hitting these higher lows and we're wedging our way towards this 2750. Oops, I meant to drag that out. So you can see that we've been hitting it pretty nice here. And we do not need to break through, this line to the downside. But we've been testing these higher lows, and we might take a little while to break through if it follows this current pattern. But that's what we got our eyes on, man, is that 2750 intraday level of resistance. 3,000 is the bigger level, but 3,500 is really what I'm watching. Cat used to eat Subway at Dumpster before I lived. Oh my gosh, Cassie. Question, Prague is changing its name ticker. It is changing its name and ticker. I realize this means actually nothing fundamentally. It does changes like that usually lead to bullish, bearish moves or nothing at all really. If it's just a ticker change, I would say nothing really. If it was because of some sort of a merger or anything like that or a strategic partnership, then it could. But simply being a name change or simply being a ticker change, I would say no. That's pretty neutral. But if it had to do with some sort of a partnership or something like that, I would say it could be bullish. Shiba dropping to 0 this weekend. Clay wrote Nufo. I hope so, man. I doubt that it drops to 0 this weekend. especially being Easter weekend. I don't know how many traders are going to be active, but dude, that would be incredible. Ohio's entire population doesn't include enough people to man. That might be true. Devil's advocate. You could add all the people up in Ohio, and we have no use for a subway. And it'd be like one dude operating and one dude riding the subway. It'd just be like an amusement park ride. It's apocalypse speech to Magneto and the world about no more sticks, no more superpowers. Shiba to the moon. Let's get it. Live in the Valley of Cali, and they build the high-speed rail. They build the high-speed rail. They got that right now. I don't know if they have that right now. I want to hear it. Shipless pirate. I have a very bad joke about a subway. Yes, let's hear it, shipless. The Amish will capitalize on the influx of need for public transportation without gas in Ohio. Dude, if I have to ride in a horse and buggy everywhere, let's get started. That would be actually pretty cool. Could you guys imagine doing a live stream while you're being like transported around by the Amish in a horse and buggy? That would be nuts. Yeah, shipless. That's a pretty bad joke there, man. I don't even know if I can read that one. You guys can read it, though. They're changing to be more oriented towards their focus on specific patents. Sounds more official, honestly. Could be cause of partners or something, but all the non-disclosure BS, yeah, it means we won't know. You're absolutely right, man. And these companies, they really focus a lot on these non-disclosure agreements and all of that. So I don't know, but if that is the case, then you know it can mean some very good things for Prague moving forward. Simple name change, not so much, but yeah, if it does like point it in the direction of more partnerships or anything like that, dude, could be great news moving forward. The Amish will be fine during the upcoming food shortage. Yes, they will. They're 100% self-reliant, man. No worries there. We back? I drive the party buses here in Cleveland. Lewis, King Walleye Master, driving party buses. You have fun doing that, Lewis, or is it a little crazy, man? Closest thing to a subway around here is the tunnel the kiddie train goes through at the zoo. Mike, that sounds about right, man. That sounds exactly right. When are you buying stocks or crypto? Do you always set an exit strategy? Freddie, if I plan on trading it, yes. If I don't plan on trading it, then no, not necessarily. If it's just a longer term hold, I wouldn't worry about an exit strategy at that point. But if I do plan on trading it, yes. I think one of the most important things that you can do, especially if you're going to take emotion out of your trade, is set up your exit strategy before you get into the position. If it's just the stock that you want to hold longer term and watch the company grow, I don't think it's important. But if you're trading, then yes, you should set an exit strategy before you even buy the position. That way, you've got your plan, you stick to your plan, there's no emotions involved, and either it works or it doesn't work. It's not your fault at that point, it's the plan, and then you can tweak the plan later. Imagine a live stream. Streamer Inu. Ooh, Streamer Inu. Absolutely real. We can make it happen. I'm Streamer Inu today. How was the government numbers today? So Jose Garcia, the inflation rate came in at 8.5%. That means that on an annual basis, goods and services right now in that basket are 8.5% more expensive than they were last year. That is exactly what expectations were. Right there in line with expectations. Know your risk and reward numbers. Yes. Have your trade set up beforehand. Know your risk, know your reward, know your profit, know your stop, all of that good stuff. Get in, get out, and make some money. Closest thing to a subway down my way is the tunnels of the cartel smuggled dope in through the people. Pugnacious. That sounds dirty, man. I'm heading out. Everyone click the like button. Have a great afternoon. Donnell, you as well. And thank you very much. Hope to see you in the afternoon live stream. Freddie, thank you very much for the super sticker. You're number one, Freddie. Oh, he is the fingers this way. You're number one, Freddie. Hey, Freddie, you know what you are? Do you? Do you really know what you are? You're number one. Freddie. Freddie's number one, man. Freddie, thank you very much for the super sticker. Absolutely appreciate it, man. Conditions, entry, stop, and target almost every trade. Mike, very good, man. Very good. And you know, there is a difference between trading and knowing you're going to be a long-term hold, right? Closest thing to a subway here is a place called Sewer Trail, and you're not supposed to walk around it. If they catch you, you get a ticket because it's unsafe, and it goes to the river from downtown. My gosh, Cassie, very interesting. I don't know what the closest thing to a subway around here would be, but I honestly, I don't even think we have one in Ohio anywhere. Shib's up 21% since the Robinhood launch. Yes, maybe not just since the Robinhood launch. It's up 22% on the day right now, but prior to that, it was trading relatively sideways. So I don't know exactly what time frame it goes by, but once Robinhood announced that they listed it, it started to take off, and it has risen very nicely since about 2280 points per coin, all the way up to the current 2720 points per coin. So very interesting action. Look at this action on Shiba, man. Look at this action on Shiba here. Touching, bouncing off this line again. It's going to be touching this right here at 27.48. Question is, guys, do we break it? I want to see a yes or no. Do we break this 27.50 on this next attempt, or are we going to fill the rest of this wedge out? I want to know what you guys think. Give me a yes or no. Break it, yes. Don't break it, no. Let us know what you guys think. Everyone should have a bike for when shift, maybe. Us country folks in Kentucky will never feel a food shortage. Tons of food walking down our streets, and garden is full. Very nice, man. Yeah, I should start a little garden this year. Wedge is looking good. What do you think? How many times do you have to test resistance line for breakthrough? Usually, Gary, a lot of people are going to say it'll break it on the third try. I don't think that there's necessarily any consistent number where it always breaks it on the third try, usually breaks it on the third try, anything like that. I don't think it has to even retest it. It's just a level that is significant in the minds of traders. Can we get a subway put in Ohio? Why? Blankly stares at each other awkwardly in silence for 30 seconds before moderator injects. Next question. Could you imagine going to a town hall meeting and asking that? Why? Dude, literally you can walk across town in like 3 minutes. Why would you want a subway? What would you need that for? Oh, that'd be cool. It'd be cool to have one. I don't know. You don't think a subway is a cool idea? I think it's cool. Yeah, I don't think they'd go for it. Where they spend like $5 billion building a subway system, and then they make like $1 million a year. And they got to wait like 3,000 years to break even or something. Good canned meat companies, Keystone and Whirling and Sons in Ohio. Canned meat, interesting, Julia Gulia. Canned meat. I don't know if I've ever had canned meat. Not sure. I think 3,100 at the end of the day. Freddie, I would love 3,100 at the end of the day, man. 3,100 at the end of the day would set us up perfectly for a run up to 3,500 tomorrow. That would be amazing. Yes, we are going to break it here soon, brother. Let's get it, Lewis. I hope we break it soon. October, they hit over 9,000 just a few months back. Yeah, it will. So it was like 8,800 points per coin. But you are absolutely right, man. 8,800 points per coin just a couple of months ago. We could absolutely see that line coming again. Hey, y'all. Alice in Wonderland. What's going on? What's happening with the metaverse? I don't know. Man. They botched that sale of the NFTs, in my opinion. I don't know why they hyped that sale up for the weekend and then didn't go through with it. And they didn't give us an answer on why they didn't go through with it. So we know how it sounds about as useful as that skate park they put on my Navy base in Whidbey to raise morale. Like, excuse me, the Tony Hawk list? No. What are you deficit for? Yeah, man, you get skaters out there wanting to go skateboarding. Well, that's what they wanted to do. Yeah, I don't know how much sense that makes. Planted 375 strawberries, 200 tomatoes, and 1 pound of beans yesterday. As well, 50 to 70 elk right beside my house. Largest herd this side of the Mississippi. Noob Clan. Very nice. Which side of the Mississippi are you on? The west side? The east side? I don't know. I'll send you some canned chicken. Pugnacious. Thank you for the canned chicken. That sounds like exactly what I want right now. Noob Clan is ready for the event. I don't know what a is. Content is great. Miser. Thank you very much, Mr. MC. Hey, Julia, what's going on Alice in Wonderland? Alan Smith. Thank you for the. Thank you for the. Alan, thank you for the thank you for the Alan, thank you very much for that super sticker, man. Really appreciate you guys with all the super stickers today. You guys are amazing. SMFL, long, let's go. Amy, come on, let's do it. Do you think we'll pump again, or have we reached the top? We're going around. So I don't think we've reached the top, okay? I do think that initial, excitement may have calmed down a little bit, but there's absolutely no reason that we can't continue to pump, man. I was looking at it. If you look at it on a daily chart, you can see we did very well, tested that 3,000 point per coin level, and we've often tested that and then needed an additional day to break through. Even if you look back here, when Shiba Inu coin was running back in October, it tested this level at 2,000, tested this level in 3,000 here, and then it broke through it, did pull back drastically, steadied off in this 3,000 point per coin level, and then tested at 35 and had to break through. So 3,000, guys, is very significant. This level that we're trading in right now it's not just like some random level. It's very significant and is held up as support and resistance in the past, and that's why we're right in this area right now, getting ready to break through it. So don't take it lightly, but don't take it as something that we cannot break through, okay? Charlie don't skate. Charlie don't skate. No, he don't. Oh, Subway Talk. I'm craving tacos now. Happy Taco Tuesday, bros. Happy Taco Tuesday to you too, new foe. Hopefully you get some. You okay, bro? I'm doing good, Hector. I'm doing very good. Yes. I'm doing very. You're asking about that super sticker, aren't you? Is that a balloon? No, actually, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, man. It's like a ball that's filled with water and confetti. Like a big rubber ball filled with water and confetti. I don't really know what you would describe that as. Dang, I thought planting 20 tomato plants was crazy. 200 plants, gonna have a ton of salsa and pasta sauce. Dude, I would love to make my own salsa. I like making my own salsa, and I should plant tomatoes just so I can make my own salsa. Still early, most people are not even awake yet. Mr. Dino. That's true, man. That's true. If you're looking at California, it's what? 10 o'clock on the West Coast right now. I'm sure people are waking up right now, but you are right. Not everybody is going to be awake, and not everybody has seen the news. More important question, how is Chipbro? Freddie, Chipbro is doing great. If you have not seen the Chipbro posting on Twitter recently, go check that out. And then I have started a Chipbro TikTok. If you guys want Chipbro exclusive videos, I'm posting Chipbro exclusive videos on TikTok just because I love feeding that dude, and then I'll post some videos of him there, so you guys can check that out if you want. With the Robinhood listing, do you think we are done with going back and forth on... I hope we are done. So Sponge, I'm not sure if we will be, but I hope we are done, okay? Now, the Robinhood is going to drive a lot of excitement. It doesn't really change anything for Shiba Inu coin, except for demand. Now, we're going to have to see how that demand plays out. If we do, and if it pulls through and demand actually does rise, yes, it could be amazing. If not, it's still okay, right? It's still okay, but it's not guaranteed to get us out of this. It's just how long can the hype sustain itself? Not something to be playing around with on your... Yeah, that is true, Shredder. It's a very thick ball, though. It's a very thick ball. Man, I guess... technically, I think my computer's safe. The keyboard might get fried, but the computer's safe. Lava lamp in the palm of your hand, except it's not warm. The lava lamp is hot. That ball is cold. I'm in UK, 1757. My goodness, man. UK, 1757. That's almost 6 o'clock in the evening. You got a lot of UK people in here. Miser MC. A lot of people in Europe in here as well. The news Shiba was going to pump bad. That's why they choose to launch in on today when they announced 8.5% inflation uncertainty. Mad Shiba not skyrocket. Well, El Campo, I don't know if they knew that Shiba was going to pump. So that part I don't know what... And that's tough, man, because I wish I knew things were coming, but I don't. So I have to assume that they don't too. I can't believe it didn't reach $1 by 1. I thought I was going to be able to quit my job after lunch. Gary, I don't expect it to reach $1 on the Robinhood news, okay? I don't know if anybody expects it to reach $1 on the Robinhood news, but yes. So whatever get to break the internet news... Freddie, that was wellies, man. That was wellies. The break the internet news was wellies. Yeah, that was wellies. I don't think that broke the internet. I don't think it was close to breaking the internet, but that was Wellies. Who or what is holding Shiba back? Whales? So private account. I don't think that whales are necessarily holding it back. I think it was just a long period of concern, and we're still in this period of concern about inflation and what's going on with the world, right? When that kind of subsides and investors feel safe again, they take their money and they put it in riskier assets like Shiba Inu coin. So it has a lot to do with just the governments right now. Is it true that so many things going down right now? It's like when a duck has a seizure, it really is terrible to watch because we losing our money. So let's all hope we're going to make a comeback. Yes, let's do it. And Shiba caught me by surprise. Dude, I'm telling you, Nufo, caught me by surprise too. Ask Julia. I always know when things are going to... I was advocate. I'll ask Julia about that later. Hey, Glenn, watch from the Bahamas. Glenn, man, very nice. Guys, I can't believe it's 1 o'clock already, okay? We're going to take off for the afternoon. All right, we will be back at 3 o'clock. I absolutely hope that you guys make it back for the afternoon live stream. I appreciate everybody being in here. Did we make 100 likes? Yes, we did make 100 likes. Please, if you have not clicked the like button, click the like button. Come back for the afternoon stream. We will watch Shiba Inu coin break out of this wedge and start to move higher from there. Hopefully AMC and Farmy and Gamestop and all of these stocks rebound a little bit and start moving higher as well. But get your name in the chat right now. We'll get some shout outs going on. And then we'll be back in the afternoon live stream. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Glenn Smith, man, shout out to you. Gary Hoover, see you later. AMC Trapper saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Diego, Pat Wolfman, see ya. Nufo, AMZ Pluto. El Campo, see ya later. Mr. H, Freddie, Mark Shredder, Will, Gary, Alice in Wonderland, Cassie, Freddie, Gary, Mr. H. Nufo says, what a better way to leave than eating a banana. Nufo, absolutely agree, man. Thinking about you, Nufo, but looking at Trapper. This is called the lick and stick technique, guys. You got the banana? Eye contact, very important. You got the banana? Lick. And stick. Nufo, thank you very much for the banana there. Hopefully you're having a great afternoon, man. Will Major, see you later. Melon Mamas, Frank, Devil's Advocate, see ya. Will, Justin, Michael, Mike, Zachariah, Gary, Will, Mark, Jose, Freddie, Miser, AMC Trapper. Oh, yes. Lewis, see you later, man. Gary, see ya. Nufo, likes that banana right there. And, all right, it is 1 o'clock, guys. Got the shout-outs going on. Jason, see you later. Hector, enjoy your afternoon. Eric, see you later. Crypto Break Room, see ya. Gary, all of you guys, enjoy it. It could be breaking out. Tested it, retested it right there. Yes, guys. See, oh, man, tested it, and it's bouncing back off of that 2740 level of resistance. This wedge is really loving itself right now. But you guys know what time it is. Julia, shout out to you. Hopefully you guys come back in the 3 o'clock hour. We will hang out again. And you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.